Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds in Telegram. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Telegram app, and once done, go to the top left and tap on the three horizontal lines. Now in here, gotta find the settings section, tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and tap on data and storage. Tap on it. Now first up, tap on storage usage. And then here, just tap on clear cache or clear entire cache. Okay, tap on it. And there will be a prompt. Just tap on clear cache. Wait for it. Says here storage cleared. Go back. And then here, tap on when using mobile data. Make sure that data usage is set to high. Make sure to enable photos, videos, files, and stories. Okay, go back. When connected to Wi-Fi, do the same. Make sure that it is set to high. And then once done, just go ahead and re-download the things that you wanted to download. And if it's still showing the issue, it might be a problem with your internet. You might want to go back to the same set of page right here. Try to lower the data usage. Okay, but the problem is when you lower this setting right here, the downloaded files will be lowered as well, or the quality will be lowered as well. That's the only problem. That is it. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and change from Wi-Fi. Go ahead and use your mobile data or vice versa. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.